Welcome! In today's video, we'll explore which backup software features have the greatest impact on lead tracking. As businesses increasingly rely on digital tools to manage and nurture leads, ensuring that your lead data is securely backed up and easily recoverable is more important than ever. We'll break down the essential features, rank them by their impact, and explain why each one matters. Whether you're a sales manager, marketer, or IT professional, understanding these features can help you choose the right backup solution and safeguard your lead tracking process. Let's dive in and start with the basics of lead tracking and why backup plays a critical role. Lead tracking involves collecting, storing, and analyzing information about potential customers. If this data is lost or corrupted, it can disrupt sales pipelines and marketing campaigns. Backup software acts as a safety net, ensuring that your valuable lead data is always protected. In this scene, we'll discuss the consequences of data loss and how robust backup solutions can prevent costly setbacks. By understanding the risks, you'll see why choosing the right backup features is essential for maintaining business continuity and maximizing the value of your lead tracking efforts. Now, let's introduce the key backup software features that impact lead tracking and how we'll rank them. We'll consider factors like data integrity, recovery speed, automation, security, and integration with lead management tools. Each feature will be evaluated based on its direct effect on the efficiency and reliability of lead tracking. Throughout this video, we'll move from the most impactful features to those that are still important but may play a more supporting role. This ranking will help you prioritize what to look for in backup software tailored to your lead tracking needs. At the top of our list is data integrity. For lead tracking, it's crucial that backup software preserves the accuracy and completeness of your data. Any corruption or loss of information can lead to missed opportunities and flawed analytics. The best backup solutions use advanced verification methods to ensure that every lead record is stored and restored exactly as it was. This feature is foundational, as all other backup capabilities rely on the integrity of the data being protected. Without it, even the fastest or most secure backup is of little use. Next is fast recovery. When lead data is needed, especially during active sales campaigns, time is of the essence. Backup software should allow you to restore data quickly, minimizing downtime and ensuring that your team can continue tracking and engaging leads without interruption. Fast recovery is especially important for businesses with high lead volumes or those operating in competitive markets where every minute counts. Look for solutions that offer granular recovery options, so you can restore specific records or entire databases as needed. Automated backups are a game changer for lead tracking. Manual backups are prone to human error and can be easily forgotten, putting your data at risk. With automation, backups occur on a set schedule, ensuring that new and updated lead information is always protected. This feature reduces the burden on your team and guarantees that your backup process is consistent and reliable. Automation is especially valuable for organizations with frequent lead updates or multiple users accessing the system. Security and encryption are critical for protecting sensitive lead information. Backup software should use strong encryption protocols both during data transfer and while data is at rest. This prevents unauthorized access and ensures compliance with data privacy regulations. For businesses handling personal or financial lead data, robust security features are non-negotiable. In this scene, we'll discuss how encryption works and why it's essential for maintaining trust with your leads and clients. Integration with lead management tools is a high-impact feature for backup software. Seamless integration ensures that all lead data from your CRM or marketing platforms is included in backups without manual intervention. This not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of missing critical information. Look for backup solutions that support popular lead tracking tools and offer APIs for custom integrations. This way, your backup process fits naturally into your existing workflow. Versioning allows you to keep multiple copies of your lead data over time. This is especially useful if you need to recover from accidental deletions or data corruption. With versioning, you can restore your lead database to a specific point in time, ensuring that no valuable information is permanently lost. This feature adds an extra layer of protection and flexibility, making it easier to manage changes and track the evolution of your lead data. Cloud backup support is increasingly important for modern lead tracking systems. By storing backups in the cloud, you gain flexibility, scalability, and off-site protection against local disasters. Cloud backups also make it easier to access and restore lead data from anywhere, supporting remote teams and distributed workforces. In this scene, we'll look at the benefits of cloud backup and what to consider when choosing a cloud-enabled solution for your lead tracking needs. Granular restore options allow you to recover specific lead records or fields without restoring the entire database. This saves time and minimizes disruption. especially when only a small portion of your lead data is affected. Granular restores are particularly useful for correcting mistakes or recovering from targeted data loss. Look for backup solutions that offer flexible restore capabilities tailored to your lead tracking system structure. Audit logs and reporting features provide transparency into your backup and restore activities. For lead tracking, it's important to know who accessed or modified lead data and when. Detailed logs help you monitor compliance, detect suspicious activity, and troubleshoot issues quickly. Reporting tools can also provide insights into backup health and frequency, ensuring that your lead data is always protected according to your organization's policies. As your business grows, so does your lead data. Scalability ensures that your backup software can handle increasing volumes of information without performance issues. Whether you're adding new users, expanding into new markets, or launching more campaigns, scalable backup solutions adapt to your needs. This feature is essential for future-proofing your lead tracking system and avoiding costly migrations down the line. User access controls allow you to define who can view, modify, or restore lead data. This is crucial for maintaining data security and ensuring that only authorized personnel can make changes. With granular permissions, you can limit access based on roles or responsibilities, reducing the risk of accidental or malicious data loss. In this scene, we'll discuss how access controls contribute to a secure and well-managed lead tracking environment. Backup verification ensures that your backups are complete and usable. Automated checks and test restores can identify issues before they become critical, giving you confidence that your lead data is truly protected. This feature is especially important for organizations with strict compliance requirements or those that can't afford any data loss. Regular verification is a best practice for maintaining reliable backups. Flexible scheduling lets you set backup times that fit your business operations. For lead tracking, you might want to back up data after major campaigns or during off-peak hours to avoid performance impacts. The ability to customize backup frequency and timing ensures that your data is always up to date without disrupting daily activities. This feature is particularly valuable for businesses with dynamic workflows or global teams. Lead data can reside in various systems, from CRMs to spreadsheets and cloud apps. Multi-platform support ensures that your backup software can capture data from all relevant sources. This feature is essential for organizations using a mix of tools or transitioning between platforms. Comprehensive support reduces the risk of data silos and ensures that all lead information is consistently protected. Timely notifications and alerts keep you informed about backup status, failures, or issues. For lead tracking, immediate awareness of backup problems allows you to take corrective action before any data is lost. Customizable alerts can be sent via email, SMS, or in-app notifications, ensuring that the right people are always in the loop. This feature adds an extra layer of confidence to your backup strategy. Efficient storage is important for managing large volumes of lead data. Compression features reduce the size of backups, saving storage costs and speeding up transfer times. This is particularly valuable for organizations with limited storage resources or those backing up data across multiple locations. In this scene, we'll discuss how compression works and why it's a smart choice for lead tracking backups. Disaster recovery planning is a must-have for any backup solution. This feature ensures that you have a clear, tested process for restoring lead data after major incidents like hardware failures, cyber attacks, or natural disasters. A good disaster recovery plan includes regular testing, clear documentation, and defined roles for your team. In this scene, we'll outline the key components of effective disaster recovery for lead tracking. Role-based access control allows you to assign backup and restore permissions based on job roles. This feature streamlines management and enhances security by ensuring that only the right people can perform sensitive actions. For lead tracking, it's especially useful in larger organizations where responsibilities are divided among multiple teams. Role-based access helps maintain order and accountability in your backup process. API access enables your backup software to connect with other business tools, automating data transfers and custom workflows. For lead tracking, API integration can ensure that all relevant data is included in backups and that recovery processes can be triggered programmatically. This feature is particularly valuable for organizations with complex or custom lead management systems. Mobile access allows you to manage and monitor backups from your smartphone or tablet. For teams on the go, this feature provides flexibility and ensures that backup status can be checked or actions taken from anywhere. Mobile-friendly interfaces make it easier to respond to alerts and manage lead data protection remotely. Custom retention policies let you define how long lead data backups are kept. This is important for compliance with data privacy laws and for managing storage costs. You can set different retention periods for various types of lead data, ensuring that you keep what's necessary and delete what's not. This feature adds flexibility and control to your backup strategy. End-to-end encryption ensures that your lead data is protected at every stage, from backup creation to storage and restoration. This feature is especially important for organizations handling sensitive or regulated information. End-to-end encryption provides peace of mind that your data cannot be intercepted or accessed by unauthorized parties, even if storage systems are compromised. Incremental and differential backups save time and storage by only backing up changes since the last backup. For lead tracking, this means faster backups and less strain on your systems. These methods are ideal for organizations with frequent lead updates, as they ensure that all changes are captured without duplicating data unnecessarily. Centralized management allows you to control all backup activities from a single dashboard. For organizations with multiple teams or locations, this feature simplifies oversight and ensures consistency in backup policies. Centralized management makes it easier to monitor backup status, enforce standards, and respond quickly to issues affecting lead data. Multi-tenancy support is important for organizations managing lead data for multiple clients or departments. This feature allows you to separate data and backup policies for each tenant, ensuring privacy and compliance. Multi-tenancy is especially valuable for agencies or service providers offering lead tracking as a managed service. Data deduplication eliminates redundant copies of lead data, optimizing storage and speeding up backups. This feature is particularly useful for organizations with large or overlapping lead databases. Deduplication ensures that only unique data is stored, reducing costs and improving backup efficiency. Reliable support and thorough documentation are essential for getting the most out of your backup software. When issues arise, quick access to expert help can make all the difference. Comprehensive documentation ensures that your team can configure and use backup features effectively, reducing the risk of errors and maximizing protection for your lead data. Customizable backup types let you choose between full, incremental, or differential backups based on your needs. For lead tracking, this flexibility allows you to balance speed, storage, and data protection. You can tailor your backup strategy to match the frequency and volume of lead data changes in your organization. Offline backup capabilities ensure that your lead data is protected even when internet access is unavailable. This feature is important for organizations operating in remote locations or with strict security requirements. Offline backups provide an extra layer of resilience and can be integrated into your overall backup strategy for maximum protection. Regulatory compliance tools help you meet legal requirements for data protection and privacy. For lead tracking, this means ensuring that backups are handled according to industry standards and regulations like GDPR or HIPAA. Compliance features may include audit trails, encryption, and customizable retention policies. These tools reduce legal risks and build trust with your clients. Easy restore testing allows you to regularly verify that your backups can be successfully restored. This feature gives you confidence that your lead data is safe and that your recovery process works as expected. Regular testing is a best practice for any backup strategy, helping you catch issues before they impact your business. Cross-region backup stores copies of your lead data in multiple geographic locations. This feature protects against regional disasters and ensures that your data is always accessible, even if one location is compromised. Cross-region backup is especially important for global organizations or those with strict uptime requirements. Encryption key management is vital for maintaining control over who can access your encrypted lead data. Good backup software provides secure key storage, rotation, and recovery options. Proper key management ensures that even if your backup files are accessed, only authorized users can decrypt and use the data. Backup policy templates make it easy to apply best practices across your organization. With pre-configured templates, you can quickly set up backup schedules, retention periods, and security settings for lead data. This feature saves time and ensures consistency, especially for organizations managing multiple teams or departments. Backup health monitoring provides real-time insights into the status of your backups. Dashboards and alerts help you quickly identify issues, track backup performance, and ensure that your lead data is always protected. This feature is essential for proactive management and maintaining high backup reliability. Bandwidth throttling allows you to control how much network bandwidth is used during backups. This prevents backups from interfering with other business operations, especially during peak hours. For lead tracking, bandwidth management ensures that your systems remain responsive while still protecting your data. Backup job prioritization lets you assign importance to different backup tasks. For lead tracking, you might prioritize critical lead databases over less important data. This ensures that essential information is always backed up first, reducing the risk of losing high-value leads during busy periods or limited backup windows. Backup Job Automation streamlines the entire backup process, from scheduling to execution and reporting. For lead tracking, automation reduces manual effort and ensures that backups are performed consistently, even as your data and team grow. Automated workflows can also trigger alerts and generate reports, keeping you informed at every step. Backup job chaining allows you to link multiple backup tasks together, creating complex workflows that run in sequence. For lead tracking, this means you can automate the backup of related datasets or trigger additional actions after a successful backup. Job chaining adds flexibility and power to your backup strategy, making it easier to manage complex environments. Comprehensive reporting on backup jobs gives you visibility into what was backed up, when, and whether any issues occurred. For lead tracking, detailed reports help you demonstrate compliance, track trends, and identify areas for improvement. Reporting tools can also be used to communicate backup status to stakeholders and management. Backup job scheduling lets you plan and automate when backups occur. For lead tracking, this ensures that data is protected at optimal times, such as after business hours or following major updates. Scheduling reduces manual workload and ensures that backups are never missed, keeping your lead data safe around the clock. To wrap up, we've covered the most impactful backup software features for lead tracking, ranked by their importance. From data integrity and fast recovery to automation, security, and integration, each feature plays a vital role in protecting your lead data and supporting your business goals. By prioritizing these features, you can choose a backup solution that not only safeguards your information, but also enhances the efficiency and reliability of your lead tracking process. Remember, the right backup strategy is an investment in your organization's future success. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insights on optimizing your digital workflows.